You've been told eating before bed is bad. But what if I told you that having protein before sleep could actually help you burn fat, build muscle, recover faster, and even sleep better? Today, I'm breaking down 7 science-backed reasons why protein before bed might be one of the best habits you can start tonight. For years, the advice was, never eat before bed, it'll just turn into fat. But research over the past decade has completely flipped that myth upside down. In fact, studies now show that protein before bed can support muscle growth, accelerate fat loss, improve recovery, and even help with sleep quality. So in this video, you'll discover 7 powerful reasons why protein before bed can change your fitness results, plus the best types of protein to take, how much, and when. Reason 1. Boosts overnight muscle growth. When you sleep, your body enters a fasting state. Without nutrients, muscle breakdown can outpace muscle growth. That's a problem if you're trying to build lean mass. But by having protein before bed, you provide a steady supply of amino acids, your body's building blocks. Studies show this directly stimulates muscle protein synthesis while you sleep. One experiment compared people who had protein before bed to those who didn't. The protein group saw significantly more muscle growth and recovery. It's like flipping a switch from muscle breakdown to muscle building. So if building lean muscle is your goal, pre-sleep protein is a no-brainer. Reason 2. Accelerates recovery and reduces fatigue. Protein before bed doesn't just help your muscles grow, it helps them recover faster. Research shows it boosts mitochondrial protein synthesis. Why does that matter? The mitochondria are your cell's powerhouses. By strengthening them, your muscles generate energy more efficiently, which means you experience less fatigue. This is a huge advantage for athletes, runners, cyclists, or even if you're just hitting the gym hard. Protein before bed means you'll wake up less sore, better recovered, and ready to perform again. Reason 3. Fires up your metabolism while sleeping. Here's where the myth gets busted. People say, don't eat before bed, it'll make you fat. But protein is different. Protein has the highest thermic effect of food. In simple terms, your body burns more calories digesting protein than it does digesting carbs or fat. One study showed that people who had protein before bed actually increased their resting metabolic rate into the next morning, burning more calories, not fewer. So instead of storing fat, protein before sleep may actually help your body burn more energy overnight. Reason 4. Improves sleep quality. Believe it or not, protein can help you sleep better. Certain amino acids, like tryptophan, are precursors to serotonin, which later converts into melatonin, the hormone that regulates your sleep-wake cycle. When you sleep deeper, your body releases more growth hormone, repairs more muscle tissue, and keeps fat-burning hormones in balance. On the flip side, poor sleep leads to higher cortisol, lower insulin sensitivity, and more cravings the next day. So protein before bed doesn't just fuel recovery. It can actually improve the quality of your sleep, setting you up for better performance and better fat loss. Reason 5. Helps maintain muscle while cutting fat. When you're in a calorie deficit trying to lose fat, your body risks breaking down muscle for fuel. That's the last thing you want. Protein before bed solves this problem by supplying amino acids when you need them most. Studies show that late-night protein helps preserve lean mass during dieting phases. This is especially useful for anyone practicing intermittent fasting, cutting for summer, or simply trying to lose fat without sacrificing hard-earned muscle. Reason 6. Fights age-related muscle loss. Here's something many people overlook. After age 30, we start losing 3 to 5% of muscle every decade. That's called sarcopenia, and it's a serious issue for long-term health, mobility, and strength. Older adults also deal with anabolic resistance. Their muscles don't respond as strongly to protein intake. But research shows that protein before bed can help overcome this, keeping amino acid levels elevated through the night and stimulating muscle protein synthesis even in older individuals. That means stronger muscles, better mobility, and less risk of age-related weakness. Reason 7. Controls nighttime hunger and cravings. How often do late-night cravings derail your diet? Protein can fix that. Unlike carbs or fats, protein triggers satiety hormones like leptin and peptide YY while lowering ghrelin, your hunger hormone. The result? You feel full, satisfied, and less likely to snack on chips, cookies, or sugary foods at night. That's a direct win for fat loss. So if late-night hunger is your weakness, protein before bed is your secret weapon. Best types of protein before bed. Now you might be asking, what kind of protein should I have before sleep? Whey protein. Fast digesting, but research shows it still elevates amino acids through the night. Casein protein. Slow digesting, traditionally recommended for overnight feeding. Whole foods. Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, chicken, salmon, or eggs all work well. Bottom line, any protein source is better than none. How much and when? Aim for 30 to 45 grams of protein before bed. Best timing, 30 to 60 minutes before sleep. Remember, this works best if your total daily protein intake is already adequate, 0.7 to 1 gram per pound of body weight. Think of pre-bed protein as the cherry on top of your daily nutrition. So there you have it, the 7 science-backed reasons to have protein before bed. It boosts muscle growth, speeds recovery, burns fat, improves sleep, protects against muscle loss, curbs cravings, and keeps your metabolism humming overnight. Which of these reasons surprised you the most? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you're serious about shredding fat while building muscle, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more science-based tips. And don't stop here. Click the video on your screen now to discover how to burn belly fat while sleeping. It's the perfect next step in your journey.